Here's my T20, my Pentax, the Fuji mount, and the rather wonderful SMC Pentax-M 51.7. So let's check out and see why I think this is a worthy purchase for your Fuji X system. I tell you what, it's good to ask friends and family members if they've got cameras lying about in the loft. Check this out. I got given a bag and it had this in it with this lens. Pentax-ME. Now there's ME Supers, etc. out there, and they're just wonderful little manual film cameras. If you see anything with Asahi on it, definitely check it out. From what I've tried out so far, good stuff and not expensive at all. Now of course I got this with the lens for free, but you could probably pick this up dirt cheap on eBay with the lens and you probably have a lot more fun with the lens than you expect. I haven't tried this with a speed booster yet. That could be very interesting, but just as it is, it's nice and bright. In fact, when I used it on the film camera, I found the viewfinder really nice coupled with this lens. Now, considering this was the kit lens for that body, you know what? They had it good back in the old days, I think. I find this thing fun. I'm going to throw up some sample shots just so you can see what I'm talking about. I don't know if you'll get the right idea, but go on the hunt for these kind of lenses. As we know, the Fuji gear is a real treat when it comes to using vintage stuff. If you can't afford a new lens, look at these things. This coupled together, you could probably deal with this for £50, £40 and even less. You never know. Lenses like this have been found for £5. Let's have a little look at some images and you guys get out there, get yourself some vintage gear. Don't break the bank, no need. Just get out there and have some fun and share with the rest of us. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think, and yeah, that's it. Just dead simple. This is one I recommend, the Pentax SMC M 50mm 1.7. Go get it.